Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen and a very happy Halloween. And today we are going to be making a delicious Halloween punch. It is full of flavor and nice and boozy. When I was thinking about what to be for Halloween, I really wanted to be a nurse because I really want to say a special thank you to all the nurses, doctors, EMTs, and really anyone in the medical industry because this year has been so hard and I'm really grateful for everything that you guys have done. So thank you. The first thing I'm going to add to my chilled pitcher is what also gives us a really good color in this cocktail. It's our hibiscus tea. So I took 1 cup of water. It's now completely cooled, but it wasn't when I started. It was boiling water. And I added 4 hibiscus tea bags along with a cinnamon stick. And I let this sit for about an hour so it's cool and it has this really nice color. And I'm going to add this to my pitcher. Next, I'm adding 1 cup of pomegranate juice and half a cup of freshly squeezed orange juice from Navel oranges, but if you can find blood oranges in your store, use that because it keeps that really nice dark color, but I couldn't find any, so I'm just using traditional Navel oranges. Next, we have to make our cocktail boozy, and I have 1 cup of spiced rum going in, along with a whole bottle of champagne because I love my cocktails to be nice and bubbly. So let's try to pop this. There we go. I love a twist off bottle of champagne. Honestly, it's not as classy, but it's a lot easier, and I always get scared popping bottles of champagne. Gotta be careful here. I don't want it to bubble over and make a mess, especially I'm wearing white today. But also, this is a kind of blood-colored cocktail in the spirit of Halloween. There we go. And I'm also adding some fresh fruit to my punch. I have 1 orange that I've just sliced up. You can also use blood oranges for this, but I couldn't find them. I'm also adding in about half a cup of fresh pomegranate seeds. Now I'm just going to give this a quick stir together to make sure all our flavors are combined. And I'm not adding any ice to my pitcher just because I don't want to dilute it. But I have ice in my glass, and I also am bringing this to a party, so I'm just going to let it sit in the fridge and chill a little bit, but you don't want to wait too long because you don't want your champagne to go flat. So you do want to serve this pretty quickly. So let's taste our drink. Oh, this looks absolutely delicious, and I love the color. I feel like it is very Halloween-y. And I really want to say a special thank you to Country Living, where I got this cocktail recipe from, because it is so delicious. And now the best part, getting to taste our cocktail. Wow, that is so delicious. All the flavors combine perfectly, and it's really nice and light because of the champagne in there. And I love the color. You can tell I've already had some booze. The color, because it's very Halloween-y. So please let me know if you try this cocktail and what you think in the comments down below. Also, if you like homemade cocktails and punches as much as I do, there'll be a playlist with all of my punch recipes right here or over here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you all have a happy and safe Halloween. Cheers!